Okay, I did not just see this. Looks like they're getting modded to something. I don't know what to, oh wait, this only goes to 19, I want 22. I would do them, but 19, even though 19 is one of my favorite numbers, I am limited on time. Okay, this is the, hello there ladies and jellyfish. This is Dash Thomas and Mr. Panda Pizza from Elevators of 14S coming to you from Sector 83T. This is going to be the elevator at the Florida State Capitol Building, Tallahassee, Florida. We're at 22. Whoa. Look at that leveling. Nice. I don't want to go to LL. Being that it's a government building, it's really easy to get into this place. So make sure y'all check us out. What the heck, we're stopping on 17. Going down?
Yes, sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Yeah, I'm just an elevator enthusiast. 23,716. Plaza. Have a great day, ma'am. I think I'll ride on these, because you know, they're getting modded. Apparently not. There we go. Call 6 elevators. I don't know which 6.
He's right there! He's right! You stupid.
346 minutes later.
It's the only one that's in operation right now. Yeah, I think I'm getting this one. Or wherever P is. Oh, what's this? It's a service elevator. 21. We're at 21. Oh, that did not feel good at all. Very classic leveling. Yeah. I'm gonna get a different one. Well, I guess this one wants to go down, so Plaza. Cool, I got a service elevator. I don't think anyone's filmed this before. Nonetheless, these things are strong. They say 5,000 and they mean 5,000. If I showed you the size of the main ones, yeah, they can hold like 30 people in them. It's called experience. I believe some elevators had a very similar experience to me. This is Plaza. No plastic leveling on this one. We'll take another one up to 22. I'll send this one up. 21. Oh, I'm about to run out of memory. Goodness gracious. I won't be able to get the lobby elevators, unfortunately, but...
That's the guy as well, the real skinny guy? Oh.
Sorry, I'm just an elevator enthusiast, don't mind me. Stopping on 2. Going up?
Yes.
Oh. 16. Didn't even know that thing served to. $16. Have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There we go. We're at 22. Okay, look at this view. I'm about to run out of memory, but